Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing very well. And today we are here at the Lamborghini Delhi dealership to check out the all new Lamborghini Huracan STO. So this is the new Huracan STO, the most badass version of the Huracan lineup. This STO is actually inspired from Lamborghini's Evo GT3 race car. As you guys can see, the aggressive looks, the roof scoop, shark fin, and the big wing, exposed rear sections. It is definitely a race car made legal for public roads. So yes, let me show you all around the car. So first of all, the spec on this car looks amazing. The Ad Personam Blue Note with Giallo Belenis combination actually looks really nice. If you guys can notice, the front bumper, bonnet and the fenders are actually combined into one large piece, which is called Cofango to save weight. To open it, you have to unlock two locks on each fender with a special key. And unlike other Huracans, it doesn't have any luggage space in front because there are two big air vents which takes most of the space. You can only store your racing helmet in there. These 20-inch heck wheels are made out of magnesium, again to save weight, and this engine cover also comes out manually just like the front part. The rear of the car looks so aggressive with that big wing. Also, the STO is much wider than the regular Huracan or a Performante. So let's hear the exhaust now. Sounds good, and so does every other Lamborghini. So let's have a look at the interior now. It looks pretty much same as on the new Huracan Evo, but it has carbon racing seats. Alcantara instead of leather is used inside because it is lighter than leather, and it has different driving modes. STO for regular driving, and Trofeo for dry racing, and Pioggia for wet racing. And the dry carbon on the door looks so good. And that's how you open a door from inside on the STO. The wing on the STO is adjustable, so you can adjust the wing in 3 different settings according to the need. And the best part is the roof scoop. It actually feeds cool air straight to the engine and helps in engine cooling. So yes guys, that was it. A huge thanks to Lamborghini Delhi team for inviting us there. I actually kind of like the spec of the car. Let me know if you want me to spec Huracan STO by using Lamborghini's official configurator. And I hope you enjoy this video. Do share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video very soon.